Hey guys, so we are here at the racetrack. I'm here with my stepdaughter, Aralina, aka Mookie. Say what's up! Oh, she's being a little shy. Say what's up! She's like, what? Anyway, so we're here at the racetrack and we're gonna give it a go. And yeah, get the couch to 5K, then 10K. I'm training for a half marathon in April with some of my coworkers, so wish me luck. Bye. And we're getting there. How you feeling?
Good.
Good? Are you liking it?
Yeah.
High five? Yes. Up. You gotta keep up with me, girlfriend. Feeling good?
Yeah.
We're doing it. Getting healthy, getting ready, because you know holidays are coming. There's a lot of turkey coming, so we got to get ready for all that. This little girl right here is kicking butt. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Having a good time? See, who said walking, jogging, and running is not fun? Crazy people. Daddy? You see, babe, you got to watch my videos to know this. I ain't going to tell you till you actually find out on your own. Yes, that was a good one. First time doing couch to 5K with my stepdaughter, Mookie. And what did you think about it?
Good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Are you going to do it again with me?
Yeah.
Awesome. So excited. I'm so proud of this little girl right here. She kicked my butt today. So we're gonna come back soon and get this done. It is like 9 o'clock. Now we're gonna hit up a diner and have some eggs and some sausage, pure protein, your favorite. Gonna make happy, good choices. And she's kicking my ass out here. So I'm really, really enjoying this. Day one successful. Found a little guy that wants to run with us. Little squirrel. Hey buddy. Trying to run with us? No, I guess not. So, we did 1.58 miles, a mile and a half in our first half an hour. When I tell you, she kicked my butt. I don't know. I don't think I could keep up. You think I could keep up? We're having a little cheese stick. We're about to go to a diner and have some eggs and protein. But we have the water and we also have the cheese stick to stay hydrated and to just have, you know, something salty in our system to make sure our pressure doesn't drop. Making healthy choices, right? Very good.
Water in there?
Oh yeah, there's water in there. All right, so now we are at a diner. Oh, now we're at a diner and Mookie ordered 2 eggs scrambled with a little bit of cheese as a little cheese omelet and some sausage. So it's all protein, low carb, very healthy, and she got a little fruit salad on the side. Yum. And we're gonna get a little bit of syrup because, you know, instead of getting French toast and stuff, we're just gonna put a little syrup on the side so she can have a little sweetness, and we're gonna get diluted apple juice. Then for me, I'm do 1 egg poached, and I'm doing 2 pieces of bacon and diluted apple juice as well. So, yes. Anyway, we are having a great day today, and it's still nice and early. I think it's like 9:30, so we're getting our Sunday off, right? Are you feeling good? So how was the run?
Good.
Good? You gonna do it? Do you want to do it again? It's all up to you. So healthy choices. Yes. You're gonna see our food when it comes out.